We have, within these workshops, two parts. The first part is an update on new technologies. This will cover the basics in bioinformatics presented by an accomplished scientist, Nikki McGranahan. AI for Dummies, in inverted commas, speaker Nikos Paragios at the Gif-sur-Yvette in France. Circulating biomarkers, the speaker will be Ben O'Leary at Sutton, Royal Marsden, United Kingdom, followed by live Q&A. Part 2 of the workshop will be update on new technologies. Daniela Thoman will chair this. We'll see profiling of intratumoral immune responses, led by Daniela, technologies to assess epigenetics, Tony Sorisu, followed by live Q&A.